Recycling, reusing, and repurposing items that you would normally throw away or put in the recycle bin is an easy way of getting something out of your purchases that you wouldn't normally get. So what I did was I took this fabric softener bottle and took the spout that's similar to this detergent bottle, and I removed it because I'm going to show you how you can quickly use this. Instead of pouring like this and spilling, you can use this spout and you pour it right into it, and it's a fast way of refilling a jar. There's another tip. Another part of this bottle that you can remove the plastic and make this quick ornament. You take the plastic and make little petals, put a glass gem bead in the middle, and take two water caps, hot glue them together with a string in between, and you have a quick and easy ornament. Another tip, when you have all the rolls of tape, tie them together so that you're not searching for the type of tape you want. And when you're ready to take some tape, all you have to do is take this string with all the tape and take it with you to wherever you're going, and you'll have whatever tape you need. Please like this video. Check out some of the other videos I did on recycling, reusing, and repurposing fabric softener bottles. And be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.